So all you need is two Arduino Uno. Is the first one, is the second one, and a TFT shield by MCU friend, and a motor driver shield connected to a 12-volt DC stepper motor. Here you can see the stepper. It's super smooth, looks pretty. So let's get started. And after all, see, it needs a support and some structure, so I have took that. This looks good. So here's all the things you can see. Let me show you my body. No, not that body. So this is the case I'm using for the structure. You can see it's a full jumpers. It's actually a speaker. I have opened that. Shield is connected, you can see, and it looks pretty. I have soldered some wires on the back side for power supply and many more operations. After the shield is completed, let's work on the next one. That's the motor. Connect the motor shield to the okay, so both of the modules are ready. See the connections. Here's the connection: orange, blue, brown, yellow and red. That's the connection diagram of this 12V DC stepper motor. Okay, so we are 50% done. Let's assemble it. Like this. Okay, I've adjusted that and it fits. So tightening the screw. Okay, so this is done. Let's connect the power. I'm using external power supply via USB to TTL device, and it looks pretty. So I've also connected supply for the TFT display. Let's connect it to that one. Okay, and it's done. So let's connect the last thing, support, with that thing. Okay, let's connect it.